The answer is yes. The character warehouse at the Vineland Outlets is open during a hurricane, and honestly, it's the time to go because it was the least busy that I've ever seen it. So looking at pins, for $3.99, this National Geographic that always seems to be there. For $4.99, we've got the Pride Collection. These are great traders for the parks. And $4.99, still more of those Pride Collection. Love them. Love how bright they are. For $9.99 is this huge princess pin. Now, I personally hate this. I think it's hideous. I'm definitely putting that back. I would not get that. But for $3.99, these Explore Pandora pins are for me. I actually grabbed a handful of these. I'm going to put one on my personal board because I like it. And I am going to trade the rest of them. Very lucky that we were on the outskirts of the weather here over by Disney. And on that note, see you later. Bye.